India does not have any blanket arrangement with Iran for the transit of its vessels through the strategically vital Strait of Hormuz. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has clarified, underlining that each case is handled individually. His statement comes amid reports that Tehran had sought the release of 3 Iran-linked tankers detained by Indian authorities in February in exchange for facilitating safe passage of Indian-flagged or India-bound ships through the strait. However, the Indian government has dismissed these claims as baseless. According to officials, the vessels were held near Indian waters on suspicion of concealing or altering their identities and engaging in illegal ship-to-ship transfers at sea. Jaishankar noted that ongoing discussions between India and Iran have already resulted in 2 Indian-flagged tankers successfully transiting the route. The Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most critical energy corridors, has witnessed significant disruption following the outbreak of conflict involving Iran, slowing maritime traffic considerably. Despite the tensions, Iranian authorities recently permitted 2 Indian liquefied petroleum gas carriers to pass through. Sources indicate that Tehran has also raised demands for supplies of certain medicines and medical equipment during the negotiations. Diplomatic engagement has continued, with Iran's ambassador in New Delhi meeting officials from India's External Affairs Ministry earlier this week to discuss the situation. India has said that at least 22 Indian-flagged vessels and 611 Indian seafarers are currently in the Gulf region. Of these, 6 ships are carrying LPG, and New Delhi is prioritizing their movement to address domestic supply concerns, as nearly 90% of the India's LPG imports come from Gulf nations. Meanwhile, the Indian embassy in Tehran has issued an advisory urging Indian nationals not to approach or attempt to cross the land borders without prior coordination. It warned that travelers leaving without embassy guidance could face serious logistical and immigration difficulties and shared helpline numbers for assistance.